I'm Ronald Kasirye, an optician here at Glanceeyeclinic. I'd like to welcome you to the laboratory of Glanceeyeclinic. So Glanceeyeclinic is a qualified clinic that deals with eye treatment, basically in glasses and other ophthalmological services. So here we make specs in different shapes, starting from the rimlesses, we come to the half rims, and finally to the full rims. We make plastic and metallic frames in all types of lenses. Here we cut lenses from the single visions, double visions, and the tetra visions. That is to say, the normal sights, then bifocals for both reading and distance, and then finally the progressive lenses. After you have been examined, it's here that I will make the lenses from. So the laboratory is a well-equipped one with a variety of machines which I use to ensure that your eyewear is perfectly made basing on the right measurements or on the right prescription from the optometrist. So we have machines like frame heaters, we have the pattern makers, and we have one of the most improved lensometers. I have drilling machines, I have auto and manual aging machines, I have the grooving machines for bifocals, basically half rims. I have the UV light tester, and we have the drilling machine for rimless frames. With all these machines, we happen to have a very perfect laboratory that you can trust for your eyewear.